is go ahead and get the Lodge pan warmed up a little bit, soften our butter and warm the pan. It's a twofold move. So one nice big thick slice of early melted down is just set this in here, let it get the butter on there. We're not frying it, it's just on low, but you want to get the butter on both sides. Butter, just a little splash of water, and you're just going to just lightly coat that with the cinnamon. Just a nice light layer. We're just going to set it in here. We're going to go ahead and pull her out here.